HR guys are allergic to two things: technology and numbers.
The questions that have been asked to me was, what do you mean by profitability? How would you ensure that HR interventions would lead into profitability of the company and all? I had no clue.
For me, the blended learning experience was the first of a kind. I have heard it, I have learned it. What is a blended learning? But the experience was well of a kind. I must say the user interface of your software is very user friendly.
अगर बोलते हैं अगर दिल से पढ़ना चाहोगे तो ये बहुत अच्छा सेशन है. सेकंड, द वैल्यू फॉर मनी इज द हाईएस्ट व्हिच आई फील. मतलब द मनी दैट यू टुक इज आई फील इट्स नथिंग फॉर द नॉलेज दैट यू गिवन अस. सो फॉर दैट फ्रॉम मी, गॉड ब्लेस यू अ लॉट and you be successful in your life.
Really, we didn't want to charge the fees, honestly.
Yeah.
But if I don't charge anything, people don't take it seriously. So we said we'll charge token.
When I got an opportunity and accidentally I saw your advertisement, for this webinar, I jumped into it. And the day I attended, I made a payment and ensured that I attend this. It was an excellent journey,
Took the entire session. It was a good learning session for me. Yeah, maybe Vishal, there are people who wanted to join but couldn't. Like I said, I got lucky. I just got the message and I saw it.
I really liked the user interface. I mean, your software is too good. I mean, for that, kudos to the team who built it, your team and the backend team.
आपका ये जो course है, it has helped me immensely. The project also. Now I know the important formulas. Now I know how to present it. Now I know what do they expect. So excellent that ways.
I enjoyed watching the videos.
And Vishal, I had a question. Do you have anything on HR budgets? Any kind of a format?
We have a program on HR budgets, not just a format. So,
When do you have that? I'm interested.
Even I'm interested.
Yeah.
Maybe my team is participating in this meeting and they are silently observing and listening. Okay. So I hope guys, Tejas, Pratik, it's about time that we should launch HR budgeting also.
I'm looking forward to more of your training sessions, to be very honest. It was very interesting.
Overall for me, Contentra is something that going forward I would like to work with you all. And I would also like to have this program for all my employees too. So looking forward someday to work with you, Vishal.
Carry the beacon of financial awareness in all of your companies, and that too at affordable rates, because we believe that we are here to add value and we'll continue to do same. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vishal. Please keep us posted on all your training programs.